In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a Woocommerce product in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're running an exclusive sale, stocking limited edition items, or simply want to manage your inventory without removing products from your Woocommerce store, learning how to make a product private is essential. First off, let's dive into accessing your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, from content creation to plugin management and of course handling your WooCommerce store. To get started, simply navigate to your WordPress site's admin area. If you've logged in before, you'll find yourself right at the dashboard. If not, just enter your credentials to proceed. With the dashboard now in front of you, the next step is to locate the products section. This is typically found on the left-hand side menu. Clicking on products will take you to a page where all your current products are listed. This page is your starting point for all product-related management tasks, including visibility settings that we're focusing on today. Now it's time to select the product you wish to hide. Browse through the list of products or use the search function if you have a specific item in mind. Once you've located the product, click on its name to open its editing page. Here you'll find all the details you can tweak and adjust, but our focus for now is on changing its visibility. On the product editing page, you'll see a publish box to the right. Within this box, you'll find the visibility option noted. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. Click on the edit link right next to the visibility status. This action opens up a few options on how your product can be viewed on the site. To hide your product, select private. What this does is make the product viewable only to you and those with admin or shop manager roles in your WordPress setup. It effectively hides the product from the general public and search engines, but it doesn't delete it from your database. This means you can still manage the product in the back end, perfect for items you don't currently want displayed, but aren't ready to remove entirely. After selecting private, don't forget to hit OK to confirm the change. Finalizing the process is as simple as updating the product. With the visibility now set to private, just click on the update button to apply your changes. Congratulations, you've successfully hidden your product. It's now invisible to your store's visitors, but remains accessible to you and your team for any future updates or changes you wish to make. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips. First, remember that hiding products can be an effective strategy for managing your store's inventory without cluttering your catalog. It's especially useful for seasonal items or products that you plan to restock or relaunch. Second, always check the visibility status of your products after making changes to ensure they align with your current needs. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward guide to hiding a product in your WooCommerce store. By following these steps, you can easily manage which products are visible to your audience and which are saved for a later reveal. Whether you're tidying up your store's appearance, handling inventory, or setting up for an exclusive release, knowing how to control product visibility is a valuable skill for any WooCommerce store owner. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on managing your WooCommerce store efficiently. Happy selling!